Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along as I run some errands, like shop my skincare, pick up some packages, and also go out on a dinner date with my friends. So I'll be taking you guys along. I can't remember the last time I made a video like this, but I hope you guys would enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. So this is what I'm wearing. Okay guys, so I'm going to unbox all the things we got from all the plenty places we went to yesterday. So the first place we went to was Tulip. So we got some skincare, my Nivea cream, Nivea oil in lotion. This is for me because this is what I like for now. So we also got the Skin by Zaron for my friend. Skin Glow Therapy Ultra Moisturizing Lotion. So guys, if you're in Abuja, and I don't know if they have other shops anywhere else, but if you're in Abuja and you need a shop lock for your skincare products, go to Tulip, guys. They have the most authentic, like you're very sure that what you're getting is not fake, because you know the country we are. They have lots of fake products. So if you need to get authentic products, you go to Tulip to get your skincare. So Skin by Zaron. Then we also got Skin by Zaron body wash. This is also for my friend. Yeah, so Then we got Dove Nourishing Secrets body wash for me. Yeah, guys, I'm slaying on the budget, so don't come for me. And then we got this vitamin B3 source, like a face serum. You can use it daily. So yeah. And then we got this Bali Body sunscreen. Bali Body sunscreen. Yeah, guys, and that's all we have. All we got from Tulip. And also, I picked up some packages for my YouTube content. So guys, I got this tripod stand because the one I'm using currently is very small, and I wanted to invest in myself because it's been a long time coming. I wanted to get something for my YouTube for once, so I got this bigger tripod stand. I love it because you can carry it around. As you can see, it looks like a selfie stick, but then it goes all the way, like the length is crazy. Okay, but I hope I don't break this thing. All right, so this is what it looks like once you place it on the ground, and it goes very high, but let me not do too much. So but yeah, I'm going to be fully back to create content now, because these are all the things I needed. You know, when you have things like this, you would always want to use them. So I just got this one yesterday, and hopefully we're back. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Then I got this 14-inch ring light. Let me take a pose for my thumbnail. I got this 14-inch ring light. I wanted to get a bigger size, but I don't want stress, I don't want load. This one is just small, and at least it's not too small, like the 12-inch. It comes with this remote. Comes with this remote, guys, and this is the adapter, I guess. Yeah, this is it, and this is the size of the ring light. So it's not too big, it's not too small, it's just perfect for me. And these are the phone holders that it comes with. And then it comes with this tripod stand. So you're going to watch me try to set up this ring light and use it for the first time. Alrighty. So this is the small one I had before, guys. This is the one I've been using. So now I'm going to set up this one and this new tripod that I got. So let's do this. Let me test out the remote.
And if this one has an issue, you can go on.
It works. My videos are about to get lit, guys. Hey guys, let me change it to the white light. I think I prefer the yellow light. I don't know. Okay, that's all for now.